Hello and welcome to this video on how to start a business with zero investment. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a short story and some detailed information on how you can start a successful business with no money down. Short story. Meet John, a recent college graduate with a passion for baking. John has always dreamed of starting his own bakery, but he has no money to invest. Instead of giving up on his dream, John decides to start small. He starts baking cupcakes in his home kitchen and selling them to his friends and family. His cupcakes are so delicious that soon, word spreads, and more people start placing orders. John realizes that he has an opportunity to turn his passion into a profitable business. He starts taking orders online, creating a social media presence, and building a customer base. Before he knows it, John has a successful online bakery business that he runs from the comfort of his own home, with zero investment. Detailed information. Starting a business with zero investment may seem impossible, but it's not. With the rise of the internet and social media, it's easier than ever to start a business from scratch. Here are some steps you can follow to get started. Identify your passion and skills. The first step to starting a business is to identify your passion and skills. What do you love to do? What are you good at? By answering these questions, you can identify a business idea that you're passionate about and that plays to your strengths. Identify a niche market. Once you have identified your passion and skills, the next step is to identify a niche market. A niche market is a specific group of people with a common interest or need. By identifying a niche market, you can create a product or service that meets their specific needs. Start small. As in John's story, you can start small. Instead of investing a lot of money up front, start by offering your product or service to friends and family. Once you've established a customer base, you can start expanding your business. Use free resources. Thanks to the internet, there are many free resources available to help you start a business. You can use free website builders, social media platforms, and marketing tools to promote your business without spending a dime. Be creative. Finally, be creative. Think outside the box and find innovative ways to promote your business. Offer discounts, create referral programs, or collaborate with other businesses to expand your customer base. Conclusion. Starting a business with zero investment is possible if you're willing to be creative, use free resources, and start small. By identifying your passion and skills, identifying a niche market, and using the power of the internet, you can start a successful business and turn your dreams into reality.